Hey guys, this is Siddhi from Best of Beauty and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be taking you through my lip product recommendations from the Pink Friday sale. I have done a part 1 of this video wherein I recommend you guys eyeshadow palettes, base products, and just like really good deals and offers that are there on brands as well. So definitely check that out. But I thought that I should do a dedicated video for lip products because as you guys know that I hoard lip products. So I have so many different recommendations for you in terms of the shades or the formulas that I really love, and I wanted to share it with you. So here you go. I am really excited for this video and I'm sure that you all are going to love it because it includes lip swatches as well. So I'm going to show you exactly how the shade looks like on my lips. So let's get started. But before that, if you are new to my channel or if you haven't subscribed already, please make sure to hit the red subscribe button, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I do a lot of lip reels over there and just like tutorials and stories in general. So do check that out, and yeah, let's get started. So first, let's start by talking about this lip product that I'm wearing currently on my lips, and this is just such a beautiful deep wine burgundy shade. And you guys know that I'm actually not comfortable with these kind of dark shades on myself. I really love going for my nudes and my pinks, but this is an exception. I really love the way this looks, and I feel like especially on Indian skin tones, these kind of tones just look better. They complement our skin tone more as compared to going for like your typical reds. And this is the Lakme cushion lipstick, and this is again a matte formula, as you can tell. And I'm just going to leave all of the product names and links, everything in the description box below, so you can check it out for yourselves. Next up has to be one of my all-time favorite lip products, and in terms of the formula and the shade as well, and this is the Maybelline Superstay ink crayon in the shade Enjoy the View. This is such a pretty coral nude shade and looks stunning on Indian skin, and this is what that one looks like. This is a great shade for lighter to medium skin, and this is how it looks like. I'm obviously going to swatch it on my lips so you all can see. This is such a beautiful shade and I love the formula on these. They stay also for a really long time, and they're not like uncomfortable like the liquid lipsticks. This is like a very comfortable formula, which is why I really love it. Moving on to another lip product which I really love, and I highly recommend it to you guys as well, and it is the Lakme 9 to 5 Lip and Cheek Mousse. And this is in the shade Nude Cushion, but they have so many great shades to choose from. This is a swatch of that, and it looks so stunning. It's a very weightless formula, and also it dries down to a matte finish and stays on also for a really long time. You can use it on your lips as well as your cheeks. I am obsessed with this and I highly recommend you to get your hands on this. Now talking about a lip product by L'Oreal, and this is the Rouge Signature Liquid Lipstick in the shade I Lead. Again, they have so many great shades to choose from, and they have like combos as well, so you can definitely check those out. This is again that rosy nude color which I love, and this is the swatch of that. This will look stunning on all skin tones, and it's a very flattering color, and also it's a very lightweight texture. It does not feel like you have applied any sort of lip product on, and it also stays for about 4 to 5 hours, I would say, and also has a great pigment as well. So yeah, love this formula too. Next up is a lip product that I recently discovered, and this is the Colorbar Sinful Matte Lip Color in the shade Stripped. I have swatched this on my Instagram as well, and I love the formula on these. This is literally like velvet on your lips. They feel super luxurious, and they are actually expensive. So if they have some great discounts, and this is like the best way to get your hands on them. I'm just going to swatch the shade for you. They feel super comfortable on your lips. And this is the shade right here. So if you like a soft matte finish that feels very comfortable, then this is the lipstick for you. Moving on to a very popular lip formula, and this is the NYKAA Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the shade Budapest. This is again such a stunning shade, especially for deeper, duskier skin tones. And this is like a very lightweight formula, again does not feel drying or heavy or anything of that sort, and leaves like a beautiful stain also after some time on your lips. And this is what that shade looks like on my hand. So really recommend this for deeper, duskier skin tones, or even like on lighter skin tones it'll look like a darker pink. So if you do want to check this formula out, then this is like the perfect time to do so. Next, I'm going to talk about some lip liners as well because I hoard on those too and I love collecting lip liners. It's like a thing. So first up is this, which is the K-Beauty lip liner in Hype. I have mentioned about this like a zillion times. This is such a beautiful brown nude, lip liner which will suit again all skin tones, and I love the formula on these. These are again really pigmented, and I love the fact that you have to sharpen it so you can get into the corners of your lips and be precise. And this is what that shade looks like. You need this in your life, like I am not kidding, you need it, so do get your hands on it. Then we have this one, which is again such a beautiful shade, which is the Maybelline Colorsensational lip liner in the shade Totally Toffee. This Totally Toffee combined with the Maybelline lip crayon in Enjoy the View is such a good combination. It'll last you throughout the day. This is what that shade looks like. It's very similar to the earlier one, but it's more on the pink side, and this is what that one looks like. And these kind of nude shades, you can literally wear it under any lipstick to just define your lips. And lastly, we have this one, which is a sugar lip liner in the shade Lipping on the Edge. No, sorry, Wooed by Nude, my bad. And this is the swatch of that. This kind of shade is the shades that I die for, like corally, rosy, nude shades. Like look at that, with a hint of brown in it. So this is also a stunning shade, and all of these will look like flattering on all skin tones. Great formula, great pigment, very creamy. Highly recommend those. And lastly, we also have this, which is the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lipstick in the shade Nude Hit. So I got this actually free with some products that I bought, and I really love the shade on this. I'm just going to swatch it for you. So this is what it looks like. Similar kind of shades that I love. Not the biggest fan of the formula, but this shade is really pretty, and I just don't like liquid lipsticks nowadays. I feel like I'm more of a lip liner or a like a regular lipstick person. But if you love liquid lipsticks, then that one is a good one to try out in terms of the shade. I also wanted to mention that NYKAA also has some great lip products, like the Ultra Matte lipsticks and the Masaba by NYKAA lipsticks have to be my favorite in terms of the formula, and they have great shades too, so you can check those out. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and if you all have any recommendations, let it be lip recommendations or just like product recommendations, then do let me know in the comments down below. And if you like this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I will see you all later. Bye bye.